Welcome today in front of me OnePlus Temporal, and I'll show you how the loudest speaker level of this device. So first I'll just enable the maximum mode here on the decibel meter, and this mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speakers here, so and just then the volume will change here on this display. So let's start. So as can you see, our OnePlus device reached 114.1 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.